natural and satisfactory way by the wave picture of light. According to wave picture of light, the free electrons at the surface of metal over which the beam of radiation falls absorbs the radiant of energy continuously. The greater the intensity of radiation, the greater are the amplitude of electric and magnetic fields. Consequently, the greater the intensity, the greater should be the energy absorbed by each electron. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron on the surface is expected to increase with increase in intensity. Also, no matter what the frequency of radiation is, a sufficient intense beam of radiation over sufficient time should be able to impart enough energy for the electron so that they exceeds the minimum energy needed to escape from the metal surface. The threshold frequency, therefore, should not exist. In the wave picture, the absorption of energy by electron takes place continuously over the entire wavefront of the radiation. Since a large number of electrons absorb energy, the energy absorbed per electron per unit time turns out to be small.